What if I told you you can make videos on YouTube, TikTok without showing your face at all? And AI does the job for you, all for free. Guys, you heard me clearly, all for free. If this is something you're interested in to watch today, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends so that they can also benefit from this information. People are making thousands of pounds by creating videos like this. And guess what? You can also, without filming and without even talking, if you don't want to. Guys, the only thing you're going to do is edit this video, and I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to use these particular platforms I will be talking about in creating faceless content. So the first thing you need is a niche. You need to figure out what kind of niche are you going to be creating to create videos on TikTok or YouTube. There are different types of niche. There's motivation, there's finance, there's tech, and there's travel. So you need to discover what type of niche are you looking to create content on Faceless. But guess what, guys? You're not going to just be looking for any niche. You're going to be looking for a niche that is proven to go viral and make you your coins as soon as possible. Because I mean, we're on the internet, as well as we're here for entertainment. We also want to make money from doing what we love, isn't it? Here are 3 powerful AI niches that are blowing up so crazy in 2025. The first one will be motivational videos. I'm going to be showing you content creators who started up a YouTube channel a month ago on doing motivational content. They have monetized on YouTube. They are making money from YouTube. Guys, finance and business. Teaching money tips without showing your face. Sign me up quickly. Finance and business is one of the highest paying niche on YouTube. Guys, I have a YouTube channel where I did show my face on that YouTube channel, and this video got me around 1,500 views. And guess what? I made roughly more than £12 on that particular video. If you're a YouTuber or you're very conversant with YouTube, you know that that's really high for just 1,500 views on a video. And the third high paying niche is storytelling or true crime. There are a lot of content you've come across, most likely on TikTok, where they talk about true crime or storytelling. Those content creators make on an average £200 a month by posting consistently content in regards to that type of niche. Now, step 2, you need to get an AI platform, which could be ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Like we all know DeepSeek, which came up as a competitor for ChatGPT, and they could generate your script. I'll show you in details how to go about doing that. Then the step 3 would be an AI generated voice. You can use 11 Labs, you can use Play HD to create AI generated voice, or I'll be showing you other platforms you can use to create an AI generated voice. Then step 4 will be where you're going to collate your videos or your clips to edit this into a video. Then your step 5 will be your thumbnail. Thumbnails are very, very important. This is what will catch the eye of your viewer first before they even play your video to watch. So your thumbnail has to captivate in order to keep the viewer watching or keep the viewer interested in clicking on that video. Then the final step will be to monetize your YouTube channel. So once you've hit the eligible watch hours and you've gotten about 500 subscribers, then you can start making money from your content. And guys, please do not stop at just YouTube. You can also share your content across TikTok to make money as well. And that's it, guys. Now I'll be showing you step by step on how to do this on your system. You can as well follow the steps too if you're going to be creating content with your phone too as well. So this is how you're going to go ahead to create images. So this is the images expert. So I'm going to be using ChatGPT to generate my image. Okay, so I'm going to type to ChatGPT, generate a prompt about a picture on self-improvement. So the thing is that I'm going to use ChatGPT to create that prompt, and I'm as well going to use ChatGPT to speak to it to create an image for me. Okay, you see the maths, the girl maths I'm doing here. So now I'm just going to copy that text that I have ordered ChatGPT to generate for me. I'm going to go back to the text I initially typed and I'll edit it. I'm putting that prompt on it. Okay, then I'm going to click on and do a bit of finishing touches. I'm going to add a bit of more information on it. I'm going to edit, and so I'm going to generate a series of prompt pictures on self-improvement for being disciplined, stating this. So stating that information. So ChatGPT is going to create a picture, okay, which is absolutely brilliant. This is the picture it has generated, and it's even asking me if I want to generate more clips. I'm going to obviously tell it to generate more clips. So here ChatGPT is going to, you know, give me more prompts as well, and I'm going to generate more images. And this is all done for free, guys, all done for free. So it seems like I can't generate any more images right now. Please try again later. So I didn't know that there was a limit for ChatGPT, but I'll be taking you guys through another platform. Okay, so if you want to pay for ChatGPT Plus, which is $20 per month. So this is called Leonardo, right? And you can as well pay for it, but it has its free features. So now I'm just going to launch the platform, get started. All right, so this is where you type your prompt. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go back to ChatGPT. You know, initially ChatGPT already gave us some prompts, all right? So this was the first one about training in the early morning, a person jogging. So what I'm just going to select now is, so I'm just going to select this one, Command C, go to Leonardo, and I'm going to paste my prompt there. The thing about Leonardo is that they give you various clips, various pictures, so you just select the one you want. So this is my pictures generating. I'm hoping that prompt was sensible enough for them to use. So I think I like what I'm seeing. So I think I'm going to choose this one because one, the person is happy doing what they're doing, right? I'm just going to click on download image. I've already downloaded 4 images already. So we're going to go back to ChatGPT. Then I'm going to copy the third prompt. And with Leonardo, they give you 150 credits to use to generate images on their platform. So now I'm just going to click on highlight what I've done before. Command V, generate. So I've literally used 80 coins now already. This is the second time I'm using 80, and I have just 50 to create. So this is another picture that it has generated for me. So now I'm going to download this one. I think I like that one. So you download your clip, go to images, then I'm going to copy this one, this prompt, Command C, and I'm going to go to Leonardo. You can pay if you want to pay, but these are really good platforms that generate 3D pictures. As you can clearly see that they are 3D pictures, and that's just loading. Wow, I think I would have hit my limit at some point. I think I'm going to download this or this one. I'm going to download this one. Then let's see, I think we have a last one. I'm going to Command C, then I'm going to Command V, generate. So it's telling me to pay now. We're going to go to CapCut where we're going to bring this to life. But before we do that, I just want us to open an app called 11 Labs. 11 Labs. I don't know if I can access that on my laptop, or I need to use my phone. So with all of this information here, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to create a script. Create a script for an engaging motivation storytelling based on this information. Now I think ChatGPT has done a good job. So what we're just going to do now is copy everything ChatGPT has said. Command C, go to 11 Labs, paste it. Then, you see there's a limit. So I'm just going to Command V my text. I'm going to select.
The thing always happens that as we are liberated from our.
There is no greater harm than that of time wasted.
That's very loud.
Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
I'm just going to view all voices.
Our distrust is very expensive.
So I like Ada.
Our distrust is very expensive.
So I'm just going to generate a speech now.
The world is still asleep. The sky is painted with the soft hues of dawn. Every word absorbed is a brick in the foundation of success.
So I'm going to download that.
On the wall, a vision board reads.
Then I'm going to just pause. Then, like I said, then we now come to CapCut. Then we create projects. Then now we're going to import all we've downloaded today. So it's majorly the clips. So I'm just going to click on Command Import. So the first one is going to be this one. So I'm going to delete this one. Then I'm going to add audio. Then I'm going to import my audio port. So I think what I'm going to do is that I'm going to shorten this video just for the sake of creating of this video. I don't want to make it long, so I'll make it like a 60-minute video. Oh, sorry, a 60 seconds video. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'll tell it to shorten. So it has shortened it, which I like. So now I'm just going to copy that. So Command C. Then I'm going to go to 11 Labs. Then I'm just going to select all the scripts. I'm going to click on Command A, delete, Command V. Then I'm going to reduce the space. I'm going to hit on generate speech. Let's see how. Now we've downloaded our audio. Now we're going to come back on here. Then reduce every clip to around 1 minute. Just want to see how all the videos are. So I'm just going to extract our audio, and we're going to drag that on here. So now we have to adjust everything according. So I'm just going to put that, adjust everything accordingly. Now we're going to play our video, and also you can as well add transitions. So let's look at transition. Obviously we're looking at free transitions, so you can always edit to your style. Just looking for the free transitions that are cool, and you can add a bit of horror sound, suspense sound. You can find that on CapCut. I'm going to add a bit of that as well. I'm just looking for free transitions that are cool. It's all transitional expense. You have to pay for all transitions on CapCut. Let's try this one.
A dim room.
So I'm just going to add all of this onto the video. That's all. Then I'm just going to move my clip first bit. I think it was too long. So now you can add audio, sound. It's good to check. I will link a platform below in the description box where you can get free sounds that are non-copyright, but we'll be making use of CapCut's music for the meantime. So I'll just click on search for suspense, so I can even add this sound on here. What I'm just going to do is I'm just going to reduce the volume of that sound effect. It's just a little teeny bit. So this is the end product, and I'm just going to play that video for you to listen to. It's 1 minute 27 seconds. So I just hope you guys enjoy it.
The world sleeps, but one rises. The sky glows with dawn as steady footsteps echo on an empty road. Every stride is a testament to discipline. While others rest, they train. Because success is built in unseen moments. A dim room, a lone lamp, a desk filled with notes and dreams. Heavy eyes, but an unbreakable will. Words become the bricks of success. Growth, focus, persistence. Etched on the wall, ingrained in the mind. A towering mountain looms. The path is steep, the climb relentless. Doubt whispers, turn back. Resilience answers, one step at a time. It hurts, but they push forward. Discipline is action, not feeling. At a quiet clearing, they pause. Journal in hand, they reflect. Every struggle, every effort, each step mattered. Growth isn't instant, it's earned. They breathe, refocus, and prepare for more. The summit. They made it. The view is breathtaking, but the real reward is the person they've become. Your journey is yours. The road won't be easy, but if you train, learn, push, and persist, you will reach your peak. Now go. Start climbing.
In order for me to create a thumbnail, I'm going to be using ChatGPT to generate this thumbnail. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT, generate a YouTube thumbnail picture of a poor girl becomes successful, stating discipline is key on the body of the picture. So I'm going to so on how to create a thumbnail, I told ChatGPT generate a YouTube thumbnail picture of a poor girl becomes successful, stating discipline is key on the body of the picture. Make sure the text is boldly written on the picture and not obstructing the faces on the picture. So it generated this for me, and as you can see, poor girl become rich. Discipline is key. Perfect, guys. So that's how you can generate thumbnails as quick as possible using AI. Alright guys, so that'll be all for now. Do have a lovely day. Like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please drop a comment in the comment section if you have any questions. I always answer all questions and I engage with every comment in the comment section. Alright guys, do have a lovely day. Bye.